How do you know which path to choose? How do you know to make good choices? Hey there, Marcelo Kramer here. Welcome to my second house here in US. I've been 10 years since I came here the first time and was introduced to these ways. We had a ritual, like we sit down all night, last night, and always sharing a lot of stories of lives and journeys. Each people that come together bring their own journey, their own knowledge and wisdom of life and share. So I would like to share with you for today, for this video, the first story that I heard, my first sitting down all night on a tepee. That's a story that became kind of famous, but I heard for the first time here, and I would like to bring it up. It's really fitting on this time now. It's about the energy that we handle things in life. And with all this social media thing going and how to deal, that's something that I have been dealing with for myself. How to share the things and keep it traditional and keep the energy of the traditional practices and the nature relation, like the touch and the connection, this virtual thing that is going on. What I think is we have to adapt and we have to take it for a good use and maybe to spread more of this knowledge for people that don't have that touch, that connection, or that access. In that saying, the story goes when a young boy in a tribe was confused about life, how to take and how to make their decisions for the next steps in life, how to make good choices. And then he came to an elder in the tribe and asked him, how do you know which path to choose? How do you know to make good choices? The elder was, my son, inside of us we have two wolves. We have a good wolf and a bad wolf. Which wolf do you feed? So that goes for any type of energy, any type of knowledge that is developed, any technology that it is developed with the time. How we handle it is make the difference. That gonna lead to a good thing or gonna lead to a bad thing. Nothing is really bad, evil, or good. The energy and how we handle and how we make the things with that knowledge, it makes it a good thing or a bad thing. Also, you have the perspective side, like who is looking at that. I always like to compare with like the lion. Imagine a lion and a gazelle, like a deer. So the lion wake up in the morning to be able to feed their baby, he has to hunt. So by the eye of the gazelle, the lion is a demon, is an evil being. But through the eyes of the baby lion, the lion is their savior, is giving him food, giving what to eat, is the source of life in many ways. So it all depends on perspective side too. But the main thing is this, let's say like Einstein, he developed the idea of the atomic energy with the idea to create a good source of energy, and the people got it and developed the atomic bomb. That goes for the martial arts. You can use for protection and to help other people. You can use for oppression that happens in the history many times, or to control other people, or to do evil, to hurt. The native traditions, once the medicine they use, if it is inside of the ritual and with respect and in the proper way, it can help people, it can heal people. But if you take that medicine away from that ritual, away from the good ways to do it, it becomes a drug and can be really bad. And we have that happening, like with the tobacco, for example. In the beginning was a good medicine, and it still is in traditional ways. But they say the white man took it and corrupted, and now they're paying their price with cancer, all addictions going on. And that go on and on with many examples we could give. The idea for now is remember the wolf and try to think there's two wolves that are inside of us, and how we handle and which one we feed is the big thing. And that goes for everything in life. What do you think? Let me know if you agree with what I'm saying. I'm not saying that is a truth, that is what makes sense for me, and I just want to share with you. See you in the next video. Have a great day.